Welcome to Prominent Online Business Presentation. Na-registered po tayo noong July 7, 2015 at nakapag-launch na po tayo noong August 5, 2015. May 4 na countries na po tayo nag-ooperate: Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Kuwait. Our Board of Directors, Mr. Mark Feynman, President, Mr. Louis Dagundong, VP for Operations, and Mr. Ronel Saladaga, VP for Marketing. International products, we have 2 types, health products and beauty products. Starting capital of 20,000 with 100% worth of products, personal website, online support system, and marketing materials. 4 simple ways to earn. Number 1 is direct referral bonus. All you have to do is to direct at least 3 members under your organization and you will earn 6,000 pesos. Second is first phase bonus. Pag nakompleto naman po yung 3, automatic may additional income ka na 10,000 pesos. Third is second phase bonus. Kapag yung 3 nyo naman po is na-complete nila yung tika-3 nila, meron kang additional bonus of 70,000 pesos. So you will earn up to 86,000 pesos unlimited. Number 4 is uni-level bonus. Starting from you up to your 10th level, you can earn up to 70% markup rebates. So ito naman po yung mga proof of income natin starting August 5 until now. Sila po ang naniwala at patuloy na tumatangkilik kay Prominent International. So what are you waiting for, guys? All you have to do is to join our business and be part of the history. Way to the top incentive, times 2 max out, income is 172,000, rank consultant plus free iPod. Max out 5 times, income is 430,000, rank is supervisor plus car sedan, and so on and so forth. Thank you and welcome to Prominent Family. Please contact the person that sent this video to you.